Well, I wasn't going to show this, but since she brought it over, this is the mushroom from the topless video, making a bag out of the t-shirt for the mushrooms. This is the mushrooms right here. This is Resinous Polypore mushroom. There it is. Let's give it a little close up. It's a very, very dark mushroom, and it's firm but very soft at the same time. Because we got it at the right time. Wow, this is really, don't say anything, this is really good. She'll make me delete it if she says anything. That's Resinous Polypore. That is good. And it looks like, I'm not lying, it looks like a piece of filet mignon. Which is what some people, well done filet mignon. There it is. You can see. Wow, this is better than all the ones I've had. And a hunk of garlic. What else do we have there? Eggs, pineapples, cranberries, peanut butter, a little strawberry, bread, some kind of fake meat. She gave me this fake vegan meat. Okay, I'll eat it this time. Some hummus with pine nuts and a slice of tomato. Alright, there we go. That video was too long, but anyway, you get the idea. That is the mushrooms we picked yesterday called Resinous Polypore.